This is a very rare Nathaniel Currier print. Uh, he was also doing a lot of other decorative rather than commercial printing. This was done in 1855 for Adams Express Company, obviously, which was extremely important. Here we have Adam Express car, and that generally had bullion and other money in it attached to a regular train. This is Mr. J.H. Hoyt's train. That must be Mr. Hoyt. Pull in the whistle. Nice little station. Very, very, very good depiction of very early trains. The interesting thing, this is a little over 16 by almost 26 inches. Obviously Nathaniel Currier and Mr. Ives got together and became extraordinarily famous as popular print makers a little after this. And my friends who deal in those sort of prints, this is the only one I believe my friends said they'd ever seen of this particular scene. And it is extremely early for a Currier, and it is a very, very, very nice commercial. It obviously is the forerunner of the American Express, which is synonymous with the travel and money now. So it is, we don't know that it's one of a kind, but it's one of the very few known.